Hey, good morning, everybody. It's the 1st of February, and I just want to thank everybody who just recently joined us at Trade Genius. Really appreciate it, and we look forward to helping you make money in the markets. But hey, overnight, the cryptos had a bit of an episode. I just want to give you guys some perspective here, and I'm convinced that this is a Forex issue. And forget the news that's coming out. They just use that excuse. None of the news that came out this week was new news. It's just algo-driven news. And, you know, the Indians didn't change their regulatory stance. And the subpoena was out a month and a half ago. A lot of this has to do with just a lot of pressure on the dollar. And it's clear and clear to me that the dollar and Bitcoin are moving together, or I should say the Asian currencies are holding strength. And it's just, you know, when you're trying to buy something and your currency is appreciating so much, you know, like Asia does, then, you know, the coins over there don't look as strong. And so what happens is there's waves of selling coming in on this stuff. And so, but we're hitting some support areas again. But if you get to see it, everything's overnight. You know, here, this big swoosh. This is BCH, but it's the same. Everything's pivoting off of Bitcoin except for Ethereum, and that's what tells me that this is some sort of a rotation Forex kind of game here, because if cryptos were done, Ethereum would be crashing too, and it's not. So I just wanted to whip through here too, because I'm only interested in a couple of these coins here. It's the bottom of the channel here on Bitcoin, and this needs to hold. And then what we're looking for here is we're trying to look for a higher low. I mean a higher high here now too. So we're kind of in that range. But you know, when if you're a trader, you're looking to catch some of these bottom of these channel moves. This is an unsustainable angle, and it's gonna consolidate again here soon. So this is not gonna last. This is the one I keep pointing out to everybody, is that this is the Ethereum. Breaking out of that shallow cup that I talked about, and now it's pushing up higher, and Ethereum is holding value. And the reason why you've seen this coming down a little bit now is because Bitcoin's starting to get some strength in it again. But absolutely, if this Ethereum BTC thing is going much higher, you know, I have a 160 target on this, and some other people have 290 on this thing too. Some other technicians that I follow. I mean, I'd be happy if it gets there, but that's how powerful a consolidation on high move is. And this is telling me, when you look at Ethereum, that that, you know, this is you zoom out here even further, you know, this is a cup, okay, forming a handle, and if Ethereum gets back above 1230, you're looking from 9 to 12 to 1500. So just bear that in mind. And I think a lot of traders are rotated into Ethereum from Bitcoin. And then if you look here, here's another one that's just consolidating very nicely too. This is Neocoin. Phil really likes this coin a lot, and this is what's called a consolidation on high too. So if you want to hide out somewhere, you know, you can hide out in Neocoin, you can hide out in Ethereum against Bitcoin, and so just bear that in mind. And then the Banker's coin is starting to move up already too, and so and those who trade this need to look at here as a move higher, and but until then, this is just consolidating too. But I just trade this thing on the 5 minute anyway, and it's breaking out now. So I didn't get a trade in. I got out of my trade yesterday. Went from 109.8 to 115, and I took my 5%. And now it's breaking out, but I can't chase this. I don't chase, so I'm just going to simply wait for the channel to reconfigure, and I'll catch the next bottom move here. One more I'm going to show you too. There's another one Phil likes a lot, and this is gas BTC. Okay, and so this is one you want to keep an eye on. and just want a consolidation across the channel here, and I'd look for the next buy signal, and this thing's going to move higher too. So Neo and gas and Ethereum, BTC all look really good, and then I just trade Ripple when I need to. So anyway, I just wanted to show that to you guys. I'll do an ETF post here after an hour or so, watch the market. But again, I just want to thank everybody for listening, and thanks for everybody who joined us, and try to be worthy of your confidence in us. Have a great day, and look for a bunch of videos out from us the rest of the week. Bye-bye.